Let me ask you something. How long have you been learning English? 1 year? 3 years? Maybe 10 years? And yet, when it's time to speak, you hesitate. You freeze. You can't express your thoughts clearly. Here's the truth most people don't tell you. The problem is not that you don't know enough English. The problem is, you trained your mind but not your mouth. The real problem. Most learners focus on grammar, vocabulary, reading, listening. They fill their brain with knowledge. But when it's time to speak, nothing comes out. Why? Because speaking is not just knowledge. Speaking is a physical skill. It involves your tongue, your lips, your vocal cords, and just like any physical skill, it needs practice. The important truth. You can't learn swimming by reading a book. You can't become good at sports by watching videos. And you can't become fluent in English just by studying. Fluency is muscle memory. If your mouth is not trained, you will never speak smoothly. Shift your mindset. From today, change this. I need to learn more. 2. I need to speak more. Because fluency lives in action, not in knowledge. 8 powerful speaking exercises. 1. Shadowing. Speak with audio. Listen and speak at the same time. Copy everything. Speed. Rhythm. Emotion. Don't just repeat words. Become the speaker. 2. Sentence repetition. Take simple, common sentences. I'll call you later. That sounds good. Repeat them many times. Until you can say them automatically without thinking. 3. Record and self-review. Every day, record your voice for 1 minute. Talk about anything. Your day, your thoughts, your plans. Then listen again. You will notice your mistakes immediately. 4. Daily narration. Describe your life in English. Right now. I'm drinking coffee. I'm working on my laptop. This builds natural speaking reflex. No translation, no hesitation. 5. Multiple answers training. Ask yourself one question. What did you do today? Now answer it 3 different ways. This trains flexibility, so you don't freeze in real conversations. 6. Speed training. Start slow, then gradually speak faster. Like training your muscles. This helps your mouth adapt to real speaking speed. 7. Chunk speaking. Don't speak word by word. Speak in chunks. Examples. I'd love to. That sounds great. On top of that, chunks make your speech smoother and more natural. 8. Think out loud. Whatever you think, say it in English. Your opinions, your feelings, your ideas. This connects your brain directly to your mouth. No translation needed. Confidence, truth. Many people wait to feel confident before speaking. But here's the truth. Confidence doesn't come first. Action comes first. You will make mistakes. Everyone does. The difference is, fluent speakers speak even when they're wrong. So remember, fluency is not in your mind. Fluency is in your mouth. If you want to speak English well, don't just learn. Don't just understand. Speak every single day. Even 10-15 minutes is enough. Because you don't become fluent by knowing more. You become fluent by using what you already know. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. Keep listening, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.